Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, let's discuss the latest QA automation testing interview questions and answers. Okay, so let's get started. So the very first question goes like, please introduce about yourself. This is a common question across all the interview. So I have already covered in my previous video then how to explain yourself for all the experience range including freshers as well as experienced candidates. So please do check out. And the second question is about please explain your automation framework and all the components. I have covered this video as well in my previous video. So please do check out my channel videos and let me know if you have any queries. Okay, so I have explained in detail. And the third question is about what is a page object model and page factory. So page object model and page factory are design patterns used to improve the structure and maintainability of the test automation code. They help organize web elements and actions while keeping test scripts clean and reusable. Separates test logic from UI elements for better maintainability. Okay, so all these are the advantages of using page object model and page factory design patterns. So this is how you can answer to the interview in an interview ready short form. Okay, let's move on to the next set of interview questions. How do you run your tests in parallel in Cucumber? Explain the contents of the runner file in Cucumber. What is a singleton design pattern? What are the advantages and disadvantages of page object model? What is a Selenium grid? Explain the WebDriver create statement line. Can you explain the Maven lifecycle? How do you run the failed test cases? How do you generate reports in Selenium? How do you customize reports after your test execution? What kind of weights are there in Selenium? Write the code snippet for explicit weight. Write the code snippet for drag and drop in Selenium. How do you switch to different windows in Selenium? Why do we use set in window handles? Write the code for taking screenshot in Selenium. Okay, you might need to share the screen and write a sample code. What's the difference between scenario and scenario outline in Cucumber? How do you pass data to your Selenium scripts? How do you decide the priorities of your test cases? If you want to execute one test case again and again, how do you do that? What are the different annotations used in TestNG? Write the hierarchy of annotations in TestNG. What is the defect lifecycle? What is the difference between agile and waterfall model? What is the difference between 201 and 204 status code? What is the difference between 401 and 403 status code? What are the components of an API request? What is the difference between query parameters and path parameters? How do you resolve conflicts in Git? What is the difference between Git pull and Git patch? And explain the usage of Jenkins in the automation framework. Okay, so answers for all these interview questions can be found in the interview preparation kit that I mentioned in the description and also in the comment section. Please do check out. Okay, so guys, if you're looking for 10,000 plus real-time interview questions and answers along with step-by-step detailed guide and complete study materials which are required for full stack QA automation job roles or SDET engineer roles or SDET tester roles, please do check out for the link in the description and also in the comment section. It has been crafted after taking 3,500 plus automation interviews and it covers the actual questions asked in almost all the companies, and it has been designed for freshers as well as experienced candidates. So please do check out and let me know if you have any queries or questions. Thank you so much for watching my video. All the best for your upcoming interview.